Good evening, everyone. Hello, my friends. Welcome for tonight's webinar. Thank you all for joining tonight. Yes, sir, Mr. Glenn, Mr. Lou, Mr. Charles. Hello, sir, and Harvey. Welcome, guys. I hope the rest are just late, and because I'm revealing all the secret sauce to you every time. Okay, I know we are busy in life. That's why I really appreciate your presence tonight. Even though you are busy in your other life, your career, but you still have trading in your mind every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, my friends, tonight, trading US30. For the majority of the people, okay, very few traders that I know, okay, trade the US30. I don't know why. Maybe it's not famous here in Philippines, but in America, Europe, okay, US30 is one of the most famous ticker, okay, because it's in the name, okay, US30, okay, it's about the US stock market, okay, the 30 most influential companies. And I will dig, deeper into this as I show you the slides, the history of US30. What is US30? What I'm talking about here, okay? Because if a newbie will come to you, what is US30? And then you started trading US30 and you don't have any answer to that, that is very shameful. You need to have some knowledge, right? Some insight about this subject. So, main content, what is US30? The history of the US30, the Dow Jones Industrials in reverse order, okay, by market capitalization. Okay, I'll show this to you. Because, these terminologies are really getting deeper now. Trading the US30, how to trade the US30, the strategy, the full strategy. It's very easy, guys. If you will stick to this strategy every 9:30 in the New York session, best believe you will now be profitable. Yes, I'm saying this now because this is the secret sauce. Okay, no one has teach you this until tonight. Okay, so I will now give this to you. So please uh, use this in your strategy. Okay, once we finish the webinar, you will have the chance to go to Algotor's YouTube channel to watch this in your most convenient time to master this strategy. Okay, guys. And lastly, some live trading demonstration. Okay. Okay, I see some new guys here like Mr. Lou, Mr. Harvey. Hello, sir. Are you newbie? Are you newbies here or you have some experience in trading? I just want to know more about you, the audience for tonight. Are you beginners in trading or you have some experience?
Experience po.
Oh, okay. We have a female audience. I don't know who's that. Is that Harvey Marvel? Okay, you have some. Oh, Michelle. Okay, sorry, I didn't see that. Okay, that's good. Okay, at least you have some experience now. Okay, guys. Okay, let's start the slides because time is really fast. Okay, okay. Secret giveaway. As you all know, for who don't know, we have a 50% deposit bonus, guys. Okay, Algoter is giving a 50% deposit bonus. Deposit 100, you will get 50. 500, you will get 250. 1,000, you will get $500 extra. How nice. Even your mayor or your barangay captain will not give you extra 500. But Algoter is here. So take the chance of the lifetime, guys. Okay, avail. This will be very helpful in your trading to have more money to trade. and your funds will be very happy. Okay, guys. So contact our algorithm managers in the Telegram channel, and they will gladly assist you how to avail this, guys. Okay, 50%. Take note. All right. Trading US30. What is US30? The US30 index represents the value of the 30 largest US registered corporations, also known as the Dow Jones Index. It is one of the most watched indices in the world because of the short list of companies it represents. The US30 index is made up of 30 well established blue chip companies representing a range of sectors like technology, finance, healthcare, and consumer goods. It is one of the most watched indices in the world because of the short list of companies it represents. So that's in hindsight what US30 is all about. History. The US30 was created by journalist Charles Dow and his business partner Edward Jones in 1896. It's the second oldest stock market index in the US. They also founded the Wall Street Journal. So you've heard such things now, I think, in your life. Dow 30 was developed to track the overall performance of the US stock market when information flow was relatively limited. So the idea was to let ordinary investors know the market's direction. Nice, huh? So those were the early days in the late 1900s. So that's what the history is of US30. So now you have something to say to a newbie if they will ask you, what the hell is US30? All right. So the original index, all right, actually only consisted of 12 companies that were considered very important to America's economy. So they were, okay, these are the companies, guys: American Cotton Oil, American Sugar, American Tobacco. These are company names, Chicago Gas, Distilling and Cattle Feeding, General Electric. I think you know GE, okay, it's very famous. Some other here, I don't know, Lockheed Gas, National Lead, North American Utility, Tennessee Coal, and Iron, US Leather, and US Rubber. All right, so these are the OGs. So as the list illustrates, the economy of the 19th century America was much more focused on producing commodities. The Dow expanded to 20 stocks in 1916 and then 30 stocks by 1928. So everything has its own beginning. So this is the beginning of the US30. So now this is now the US30, the Dow Jones Industrials in reverse or by market capitalization. There's the symbol there, there's the ticker there: Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and the rest is history, guys. So these are their market cap now in trillions of dollars. Apple is having a 3.36 trillion. Okay, so just as some more information for you, let's go to the next slide. And Goldman Sachs, okay, the Home Depot, Honeywell, among my Johnson and Johnson, the Coca-Cola Company, McDonald's is there. So if you will notice now, it's more diverse. Okay, it's technology driven with commodities and food. Okay, all mixed together now. Okay, there's Nike there, Procter and Gamble, among many others. So those are the US30 now. All right, very nice. So bottom line, the US30 is one of the most discussed stock indices on the planet. It's been around since 1896 and comprises America's finest, largest, and most invested in blue chip companies. So that makes it a hot topic of debate, and according to many pundits, a key barometer of the state of the overall stock market and economy. Okay, so there is also a thing called S&P 500. Okay, that's I know I don't want to mix up with this subject. Okay, this is another subject we can discuss or maybe for another webinar. But for now, it's all about US30. Okay, US30 lang ang bida dito for tonight. So trading the US30. How do you trade? There's some million, maybe billions of ways to trade, okay? To each his own, may kanya-kanya tayong strategy, support and resistance, okay? Trend line traders, uh, uh, what you call smart money concepts, ICT, Malaysian SNR, lahat na cover na natin yan in my past webinars. But tonight, okay, this is I think one of the most simplest strategy if you will just stick to this and if you will master this. Okay, for example, every day, okay, every night, there's always a New York session by 9:30, right? So use this strategy. That's it, guys. Okay. Maybe you are trading gold in in some of the sessions like London. When 9:30 comes, New York session comes. So 9:30, it's US 30 time. Huh? When you hear the ticker US 30, it's always 9:30, guys. Okay. So mark the range. Okay. You need to have a range. Okay. Let's go to the what you call to our trading view platform here. Okay, you need to have that what we call a range. So support and resistance. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame at 9:15, okay? The last 15 minutes before 9:30. So 9:15 to 9:29. Okay, that's your window. Okay, so when you have that now, for example, in this okay, in this example, what time is this? 21, that's 9. This is 9:15. This is your range. You will mark that candle there. There is your range, guys. This 9:15 to 9:30 because this is now the 9:30 candle. So that's my point there. Okay, when you have that and the rest, I will explain to you the strategy. Okay, so be ready by 9:25, 9:30. It's very easy. Just one candle, 15-minute time frame. You are in the 15-minute time frame, so it will be easy for you. Okay, once you have that. Okay, but of course, you are checking the clock. Okay, for example, 9:19. So I don't know. It's some more minutes to go. So you're always aware of the time. Okay, so lastly, buy high. This is the strategy. Buy high, sell low when breaking either SNR. Okay, that's it, guys. Because okay, it looks like a box now. Okay, but without this box, okay, without this box, what you will do, you will get your trend line or your line. This is your the resistance. This is your support. Same idea. Okay, it's all up to you if you want to use the line or the box method. It's all up to you. Okay, but it's all the same concept. Okay, so there it is. Maybe you prefer the box. Maybe you prefer the line. It's all up to you. Okay. That's the support, that's the resistance. The breakage of this either resistance or support is the key how to trade the US 30. Okay, so I think that is clear. If there's any question, maybe I'm speaking too fast or too complicated, please say something in the chat. Okay, guys. Now, okay, this is the complete strategy. Valid breakout conditions. Very strict. Without this rule, my friends, you will mess up this strategy. Okay? A breakout is only valid. Hello, Sir Val Filomeno. Welcome, sir, to our webinar. I hope you can catch up. Otherwise, you can always watch this in Algotor's YouTube channel in your most convenient time. When the webinar finish, it will be recorded. You can always go. I will show you also the YouTube channel later on. Okay? Okay. Again, very strict rule. A breakout is only valid if for buy candle closes above a range high, not wick. a full body like this. There's the body candle close. This 9:30 to 9:45 candle is this. Okay? And once you have that confirmation, yes, there will be some like this one. There's a week there. So price, it was a red candle going down there at some point in time. It was red. Okay, but it went there. I don't know. It made a retest of that resistance, and then buyers push the price again to the upside. Okay, closing there. So this is the 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle. Okay, when you enter there, okay, very okay, because you see, it even went there, and then it went halfway there and closing this at 9:45. Okay, by that time, okay, you will see some bearish engulfing in the 1 minute. Sorry, bullish engulfing in the 1 minute. That's your entry. Okay, okay. You get the idea, guys. Okay, if you're having experience in trading, I think you already know what I'm talking about. So 9:45 candle. Okay, in the 1 minute, we will go in the 1 minute. Okay, you will see some bullish engulfing there, and that will be your entry. Okay. Of course, price can do anything. It can go sideways. This is like 45 minutes now. 10, what is this? 10 o'clock and then 10:30. Okay, so price is just going like to 10:15 until 10:30. So this is like a full hour of waiting. Okay, but this is the way to trade. Otherwise, how you will make money? So patience also is very important when trading. Okay, of course. So that's it, guys. Okay, so I've shown you how to mark the range, okay? When it breaks the support or the resistance, time to buy. When it breaks the support, time to sell. So we will see later on in this example when we go there, okay? So moving on, candle closes above range high, not weak, like I showed you. Body is strong. Like this. Very nice. If you went there, okay, it was a very nice 15-minute candle. Okay, not body is strong, not doji. Okay, you know the doji candle, like this. This is like the doji candle. When okay, when this candle is appeared here, this is very weak. Okay, this is like I don't know how price will push to the upside, but with these strong body candles, like it's giving you some really good sign that it wants to go up further. So this is like a doji, so don't enter when you see such kind of candles, okay? Okay, no immediate rejection, okay? No immediately back into range. So what does that mean, okay? Okay, it had a breakout, okay? But sometimes it will go back inside this range. But it didn't, okay? It rejected that. So this is another confluence for you that price is going to the upside. So that is very good sign. A breakout and then a rejection in this resistance. It's not closing inside the range. So this is another sign. Now, for sell, it's just the total opposite. Okay, candle closes below the range. So when it closes below the range here, some red candle now. Okay, now time to sell. That's it. Strong bearish body. I don't know if you can see some example here. Okay, this is the new. Okay, my New York is the orange box here because I have the trading session indicator here. Okay, this is Tokyo, London, and New York. Okay, this is what is this? 9:30. You see, and this is the 9:15 to 9:30. So that is your range there. Okay, that is your range. So it well, kind of close there. Okay. But this is what I'm talking about. Okay, when you see the breakage there, okay, and then it closes back inside the range, then do not sell, no trade, okay, because it is just a reversal. It's just making the liquidity hunt here, okay. This lows here in London, it weak there, it got all the liquidity. Thank you very much. I'm going up, and this is where now you need to focus on. Not necessarily when you see the breakage you want to sell, because the next candle going there, could be going to back to the range. So now you see it went to the upside during New York session. Okay, it reached this point, the highest here at around 3:30 in the morning. Are you still awake at 3:30? No, we are natutulog na tayo na, di ba? So that's the point I want to make clear. Okay, strong bearish body. Okay, no instant re-entry into range. Okay, but in that example, it went back into the range, so not trade tonight. Maybe I want to sleep and take my chances the next day, tomorrow. And this is very good. Okay, that's it, guys. Those are the secret sauce. Okay, I'm giving you now when it went inside back into the range. Okay, so this is not a good sign. Okay, who knows? It could go choppy like this. Okay, but with the good breakage like this, okay, to the upside, and then it didn't close inside the range, then time to place your trade somewhere at this time, around what is this? 21:45, 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So you can find some bullish engulfing here in the 1 minute, and then you are like this one. Okay, this is a bullish engulfing in the 15 minute. Okay, you let this finish, you will enter there. At least you got some pips here. Okay, but okay, there's a drawdown there, but you see, if you will enter here in the long, where you put a stop loss, this is a 15-minute candle. This is very big. Who knows? The body could be this big. Okay, so where you put your stop loss below those bodies there. Okay, now it's protected. You are protected. You will target what is this? 1:2 risk to reward ratio only. And you waited until 3:30 in the morning. Who knows? So what will happen in your next trades? Those are my point, guys. Okay. If only weak, no trade. Okay, very nice. So all clear. Is there any question? I hope I'm very clear to you guys. Number two, the retest entry model. Okay. This is where most traders fail if they skip. Okay, buy setup. Okay, break above range high. Okay, like that example. Range high holds as support. Like this. You see, range high. This is the range low. Range high, okay, break it, but this now is becoming the support. Okay, so bullish confirmation candle. As I told you, my favorite candle pattern for entries are the bullish engulfing or the bearish engulfing. That will be your entry. Okay, for sell, it's just the total opposite. Break below range low, pull back to range low, so it will be a retest. Okay, going back, for example, okay, there's a breakage here. Okay, it will retest this low. There's a retest going back there, and then somewhere here there will be a bearish engulfing, and then you will ride the trend to the downside. Okay, that's it. Bearish confirmation candle, entry. Last, take profit structure. Okay, target a minimum of 1:2. Okay, if it's not 1:2, then it's just playing gambling. Okay, you need more profit than your stop loss. Okay, 1:2. 1:3, then it's very, very nice. 1:4, okay, perfection. 1:5, okay. 1:2, guys, minimum, okay. Or the fresh levels. That's it. That's the full secret sauce. If you want to take a screenshot or take a photo, do it now. Okay. Some live trading now. Hello, Mr. Sia. Welcome, sir, again. Thank you for joining for tonight. About Algoter. So Algoter is a quantitatively driven trading company focusing on market making and multi-asset trading. Its expertise spans various asset classes, including futures, options, stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Algoter is a quantitative trading service company with over 10 years of experience in strategy development, focusing on proprietary trading. Let the numbers talk, guys. It's all there in the Algoter's website. So you can read more about this and share this to your friends and your family so it will reach more audience and we will have more community of traders, okay, in the coming future. So it's very easy, okay? Just forward the algoter.com website to your friends, to your family. Say, my best friend, I think each of one has a best friend in life. Okay, share this website to your friends and introduce them to Forex. All right. As you all know, also, we have copy trading here where it lets you automatically replicate the trades of expert traders in real time. When they buy, sell, your account does too. Okay, without manual effort, start only with $100, guys. Okay, as we finish the webinar, okay, after explaining you the full strategy, I will show you how to place your trades, how the Zoe app looks like in your mobile devices, and we can trade on the go. Okay, guys. So copy trading, we have a copy trading services here in Algoter where you can just, copy and then you can go on your way to your work. And then when you come back from when you come back home, you will have made some profits already, like, I don't know, 30, $50, maybe $100 that day. Yeah. Very nice. So copy trade. Don't forget, guys, you can start with only $100. Okay. And we also have some insurance program here, like keep 100% of any profits you make out. This was originally $1,500 to subscribe, but now for only 500, you can avail this. Okay, there's a sweet spot here in this table, like $6,000. Okay, where there's a monthly ROI of 26.79%. Okay, daily some other perks here, daily 2 to 5 signals, 24 trade support, and many many more. Guys, contact our algorithm managers, and they will gladly assist you how to avail this. Okay. And as you know, Zoe, is that what happened to my computer? Okay. There it is, Zoe. Zoe is a global financial technology company under the Zoe Group, headquartered in the United Kingdom with operational centers in Hong Kong and the United States. Specializing in CFD trading, Zoe offers a diverse range of financial products, including forex, precious metals, oil, indices, and U.S. shares. Zoe is fully regulated, offering a secure professional trading experience with competitive fees, fast execution, and powerful tools to grow your investments confidently. Available in Google Play and App Store. There's the QR code, guys. Go take a snapshot now, and it will install automatically in your cell phones and trade on the go with Zoe. Okay, Zoe is the place to be when trading nowadays. Okay, and lastly, our 50% deposit bonus, guys. 100, you will get 50. 500, you will get 250. 1,000, you will get $500 extra. How nice, guys. Who will give you even your brother or your sister never gave you $500 in your life? Unless you are very rich family. Yes, but it's all possible. But okay, I mean, I'm just saying this to you. Okay, but just think about it. Who will give you $500 extra for your trading? No one. Even your best friend will never give you. But Algotor is there, so take the chance of the lifetime, guys. Who knows? This could be over by the next webinar. We will never have this opportunity. So take this opportunity. You can start with $100 now. Contact our Algotor managers, and they will assist you. Okay. And that's it. That's the end of the slides here. Okay. Finally, I can stop talking here and show you the live demonstration. Nice. Okay. US30, the ticker US30. There it is, 15-minute time frame. And what session are we in? You can clearly see we are in Tokyo. So we will go to New York. Okay, we don't need London even. So let's go there now. Okay. All right, London. Okay, New York. Okay, guys, if you want to have the same indicator like me, okay, Tokyo and London, okay, you can go to trading sessions there, okay? You can go just to indicator, type trading session. It will be there by trading view, and you will have that. Okay, go to settings. Okay, here just leave this session name so it will be clear for you. Because if I will include all this information, now you will have all this range. Okay, you don't need this. Okay, who is needing those information? So I'm just remove that. So session name, okay, it's there. Okay, Tokyo. You can even rename this Asia or Philippines. It's up to you. But the session time is very important. Okay, 8 o'clock should be your Tokyo. Okay, the start of your Tokyo session or your Asian session should be 8 o'clock, 08, 8 o'clock, 2:14 o'clock. Okay, that's my Asia. Okay, that's why when I hover here, okay, that's the 14. Okay, that's 14 o'clock here. Okay, and then the session here. Okay, you must change it because there's something written here in the default like Asia session, something like this. You have to change it to GMT plus 8. Okay, take a screenshot now or write it down in your notes. GMT plus 8 without spaces. And my Tokyo here is color blue session. Okay, for the London, okay, it's 4 o'clock, 1600 to 2200. You can adjust this, okay, because some people are trading this until 12 o'clock. Their London session is until 12 o'clock. I don't know why. At least 10 o'clock is my maximum window. It is 1600 to 2200 GMT plus 8 without spaces. Session color is green for me. It's all up to you guys. And for New York, should be 8 o'clock. Okay. 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay. GMT plus 8 also. Okay. Don't forget. Okay. Without spaces. GMT plus 8. Okay, guys. And then it's orange for me. That's it. Now we have coming in New York. Okay, okay. Let's just go because we are waiting for the 9:30, right? Okay, then, we have to go forward. Hmm, very nice. 2045, not yet. 21:15. This is our 15 minute candle before 9:30. Okay, make a box out of that. Just like so. That's my range. Now we have to wait, okay, if it will break the support or the resistance, right? Let's see now. Uh-huh. Wow. So it's sweeping, it swept the highs and the lows there. Now it's inside the range. Okay. Now we need to see a breakout. Okay. So we need to see more of this. Okay. We need to see more of this, my friends. Another candle. There is your breakout. What did I say here? Sell. Okay. Breakout below range low. Pull back. Pull back to range low. Range low holds as resistance. So is it doing it now? It should pull back there to the low, range low. This is the range low. Okay. So it should pull back there. But how to see this in action, my friends? Or if ever there's some pullback is gonna happen, how do you know? At this point in time, okay, there's a 15-minute breakout there. Go now to the 1 minute. Now in the 1 minute, it's look like now it's really getting bearish now in the 1 minute. Okay. Because this is now the change of character. Here it was there's a high, now there's a change of character. Now it's a low, low, low. So where is your entry? When is the best time to enter? Where is my bearish engulfing? What time is this now? This is now 21:59. Okay. When we showed you that it should be, what time is that in the 15 minute? Okay, this was the 9:30 to 9:45. This is now, yes, it was 20. This is now 9:30 to This is now 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle. 9:45 to 10, right? This is now the 9:40. So if you will go to the 1 minute, it will look like this. You see? 20, no, it's always 2200. So it's 2200 is 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Where is your bearish engulfing candle pattern here at 1 minute? We should find that, right? To enter this. Either you wait for the 1 minute, you wait for that in the 1 minute time frame or the 15 minute time frame. Okay, let's play this now, my friends. Okay, okay, at that move, it's like going to the pullback, right? But at this point, okay, it already made this retest of the range low here. Did you miss this opportunity? For sure, because in the 15 minute, this big red candle is the missed opportunity. But strategy is strategy, right? Now it's printing this second candle here. Okay, now you are thinking you are FOMO now. Now this is really a breakup structure. Sorry, change of character in the 15 minute. There's the chalk. Now you are thinking, I think I missed this chance. Okay, moving on. What happened? Wow, now it's really moving on. So this is like it could be hundreds of pips now going on here. Huh? This is the truth. Okay, this is the hard truth here. But strategy is strategy. There's after the chalk, there should be a pullback somewhere here. I don't know. Now it's you see, it's creating now all of this FBG here. That's one FBG. This is another FBG. Okay. Don't lose hope, my friend. There is time for everything. After the chalk, in the 15 minute, there should be a pullback. There it is, my friends. Okay. So it went up this FBG here. What will happen in the next candles? Okay, what time is this now? Now it's 11 o'clock. 9:30 to 11 is 1.5 hour of just staring like you are getting hypnotized in your monitors, in your computer. But strategy is strategy. Okay? We need that bearish engulfing, isn't it? That's your bearish engulfing. Short position, stop loss, just above that swing high there, okay, to protect you. Target what? How you are marking your take profit, my friends? You need to target some some sessions here in the left. You cannot target Tokyo. We already missed that. Now the next best thing is this New York session there. My God, what happened now? Okay, short position that. This is the next best thing. What is your reward ratio? That's 1:2.5, which is already more than 1:2, right? Very good, but always, you know, practice this, okay? There's some reaction in this area, like there's some support here, right? Okay, weak there, okay, reaction. Here, drag this to the left, and you will see more of that same reaction. Reaction. There's the reaction. This is a key level. That is one way how to spot that key level as your take profit. Okay, there. Now it's above your because you see this is the body of the candles is up there, not below there. Okay, so for me, if I am trading this, I want the body of the candle to be somewhere my TP. My God, the internet is very slow today. I don't know, maybe because of the upcoming typhoon again here in the Philippines. Okay, that I will just target this, but it will be 1:2 now. Okay, 1.99, 1:2. Okay, but what sometimes it's going to be 1:3, which one we like. Okay, but let's see 1:2. You start with 1:2, and then if you really want to target the New York sessions low there, then it's all up to you. You just adjust it. Now you will have again the 1:2.5 risk to reward. Okay, so playing this now, my friend. Whatever is the case, we mark the key level. We mark the last or the nearest session there, which is the last night's New York session. Playing now easily, my friend, in the US 30. This is the way now to trade every 9:30. Okay, that is the step by step. Okay, so it hit more. See, 1:2.5. See, but 1:3. 1:3. Wow, this is one is okay somewhere here. 1:4. This is very nice. Maybe it will target London's low here. Okay, but you can always adjust your TP. Okay, and then your stop loss there. At least if it reverses on you, because US 30 is very volatile, my friends. Okay, so you will have the chance to move your stop loss. So whatever it will hit it, okay, and it will always protect you and get more profits every time. So that's the US 30 strategy, my friends. Okay, very nice. This is a very repeatable pattern every 9:30. Below, when it breaks the range low, always look for sales. If it breaks the range high, always look for buys. Okay, like the example I shown you here, like this, it went back to the range. So okay, no need to sell. Now you have to find some bullish. Is there any you can find? I don't know. The internet is very slow. My God, even trading view having a hard time. Okay, see in this example, where is your where is your entry? There's a bearish bullish engulfing. There's another bullish engulfing, but it always went back to this range. So when you see such thing, my friend, always get the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, use this to that range high there, this week here. Okay, before this okay retracement to that range. You see, it's always going in that golden zone. This golden zone, 0.5 to 0.618 is the golden zone, right? It's going there. Okay. Any any price at this point, okay, it's already a discount. So if you want to buy, you need to be at this discount. So this bullish engulfing, okay, was the time to enter the trade. But in the 15 minute, it will look like that. But in the 1 minute, okay, I don't know if we can show you. Okay, in the 1 minute, it will look like this. There, it's now inside that golden zone. Isn't that a bullish engulfing? Red, green, bullish engulfing this red candle. That should be your entry there to long. Stop loss below that candles there, and just target the way to the moon. That's how you trade, okay? You see, my friend, trading, okay, to each his own. Everyone has his own strategy. People, okay, traders who are fond of using the Fibonacci retracement, they will use this all the time. And now they will have some idea where is the exact sniper entry. You see? Because they've seen the rejection there in the 15 minute, okay? In that example, it went back into the range. So they will just wait for the opportunity for some bullish engulfing that golden zone and just buy from there. Okay, they will target this New York's last night's New York, and now their risk to reward is 1:8, almost 1:9. That is trading, okay, but they have to wait until the next day to hit this, like 7 o'clock in the morning the next day. Okay, my friends. So that's the US 30 strategy. I hope I've shared another strategy for you guys to be added in your trading trading journey, right? So if there's any question, please do so now so we can wrap up this webinar. But before that, let me show you the power of Zoe. Okay, guys? So please bear with me because now I'm going to set up my phone. I will mirror my phone to you. Okay? All right. Let me just okay, guys, can you see it? I hope so. Okay, thank you, Mr. Glenn. So this is the Zoe, okay? This is the home page. Okay, you can call it home page. Okay, you can see 1:100 is this is the leverage. Okay, so that's the normal thing. That's the balance. Okay, here in the market, okay, markets. There, you can see gold there, for example, or US 30. Okay, there's the US 30 there, and there's the sell and the buy buttons there. This is the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame. It's all up to you guys, okay? So if you want to trade your US 30, for example, okay? Okay, there it is. It's going down. Think it's going down or going up? 5 minute. 5 minutes, it looks like it's going up. So we will buy, for example, okay, buy. Okay, new order, US 30. Okay, we will buy market execution. Okay, lot size 0.5. That's it. Take profit, not yet. Stop loss, not yet. Then buy. Why? What happened? It didn't go? Yes, there's nothing, huh? My God, what happened to US 30? Is it still close? I think it's still close. Okay, let's go to gold. Okay, gold XAUSD, 1 minute time frame. Is it going up? Okay, let's say it's going up or going down. I don't know. Let's just, for example, going to sell now. Okay, sell. Market execution, 0.5. Lots. Okay, not yet. Stop loss. But take profit, you can put it there. Take profit and stop loss. Later, we will do that. Okay, sell. Okay, it's okay. Now it's okay. Now, here in the positions, okay, you can go to the positions. There is your position. Okay, we just press 0.5. And now we are going to to see if it's going in our way. Okay, gold chart is going up. So that's it. So okay, now we are negative. We are going nothing negative, guys. My God. Anyway, this is just a demonstration for you. So if you want to put your take profit and stop loss, okay, you can click this take profit stop loss. There it is. So for example, if okay, we place at 697, so stop loss should be lower. So no, we know we were selling, so our stop loss should be 4, 6 higher, like 9899. But now it's going there. So if I will put the stop loss there, okay, like 4,700, because now it's going up, right? It okay, 4,700.00. If it goes to that, it will protect, it will close our trade. So going there, now you can see it. Now we have the stop loss here. Okay, we have the stop loss. If it hits 4,700, I think it did it now, 4,700. So it closed our trade. You see, there's no more trade. Going to positions. Okay, positions. Now it's closed. So see, and here there's our manual trades there. Okay, that's my point. There, it closed there. Where is that? This is today, May 14. Okay, you see that May 14, 0.5, hitting our stop loss there at 4,700, right? Okay, at that time we lost $14. But because you are very you are very dear to us, we don't care about the negative $14, guys. Okay, I'm just showing you how to trade. So it's very easy to trade, Zoe. This is very nice, powered by Trading View. So there it is. You can go to the chart, 15 minutes, and you can see it there. Okay, very easy. So if there's any difficulty for you, you can always watch this in our YouTube channel. Okay, if you want to search for other ticker, I don't know, like SNP, SNP. I don't know how there's a ticker there. But for example, AUD, USD. Okay, there it is. Okay, click that. There's your AUD, USD. Okay, if you want to sell, buy, it's all up to you. Let's buy. 30.5, buy. There it is, my friend. So you click this, okay? You click this, and you will see your orders there. Okay, hope we will have our negative 14 back with this AUD USD trade. Okay, guys, so very nice, huh? So I hope you will start getting the hand of Zoe in your mobile devices so you can always trade on the go, my friends. Okay, so that's all our open trades there. Very nice. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Mr. Glenn. Thank you for coming. So, guys, that's it for the webinar for tonight. And I hope to see you again next time, next week, for another secret sauce reveal. We are now over time and finish everything. And I hope you get to master uh, the US30 strategy. You can always go to YouTube. Okay, I'll show you. I'll go there. Okay, I'll go to your trading assistant. Click that. Okay, once you reach this channel, you will subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. And there is our live webinar tonight. When we finish this, they will stop it and it will not be recorded. Last Tuesday was the money machine strategy, which is also very famous, and all the other strategies. Now you will just have to go to live and you will see all our webinars here. Okay, guys, it's all up. I've revealed many strategies for you now. The power of three, multi-time frame confluence, top-down analysis, the art of timing, trading the Heikinashi, or 15-minute trading, trading the US dollar index, and many, many more, guys. Okay, you will never find this with other trading company, but only Algotor is giving this all free webinars for you guys. Okay, so please install this Zoe app in your phone and start funding your account, my friends. Okay, so you can start trading. Okay, thank you again for coming, and I really appreciate your attendance. Okay, so until we meet again, guys, next week. Good night and bye bye.